Welcome to AutoResolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix Skate game if it's stuck on black loading screen or keep crashing.
Fix 1. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. Step 2. Download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 3. Restart your PC and launch the game. Fix 2. Verify or repair game files. Step 1. Open Steam library. Right-click Skate, Properties, Installed Files. Step 2. Click Verify integrity of game files. Steam or repair, eApp Origin. Then relaunch the game. Fix 3. Run the game as administrator. Step 1. Right-click the game's executable, Properties, Compatibility. Step 2. Check Run this program as administrator. Apply OK. Step 3. Launch the game. Fix 4. Disable overlays. Step 1. Steam settings in-game. Uncheck Enable Steam overlay. Step 2. Discord, User Settings, Game Overlay. Disable Overlay. Step 3. Close other overlay apps and try launching the game. Fix 5. Clear shader cache. Cache files. Step 1. Navigate to the game folder. Steam Apps Common, Skate. Step 2. Delete the shader cache or cache folder. Step 3. Restart Steam and launch the game. Fix 6. Reinstall the game. Step 1. Uninstall the game from Steam or EA app Origin. Step 2. Delete any remaining files in the installation folder. Step 3. Reinstall the game and launch.